What's up, everybody? Obsidian Early Bird 2021 break 68.33. We are full to the dice. We're going 6 times. Your team's first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The Jets up top, Niners at the bottom. Six times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Richard Cobble up top. John Adamson at the bottom. Here we go, guys. Obsidian Early Bird, break 68.33. Good luck. Here we go. Again, good luck here. Just 7 cards in the box. Good luck. Off the back, orange of Jonathan Taylor. Jonathan Taylor on the orange. Indianapolis Colts going to Mark Lum. Again, that is numbered 68 out of 75. Miles Sanders on the base. Not numbered here. Tylan Wallace, rookie eruption. Tylan Wallace, rookie eruption going to the Ravens, numbered to 100. Next up for the San Francisco 49ers and John Adamson. Rookie eruption of Trey Lance. Next up for the Miami Dolphins, Jason Taylor, lightning strike, and Luke Gaffney. 28 out of 35 there. Save the redemption for last. Gold of Tua Tagovailoa. 6 out of 10 Miami. And Luke Gaffney. Good card. That was a really good card before he got hurt. Redemption here. Good luck. Rookie Jersey Ink Electric Etch Green. Card number 21 of Elijah Moore going to the Jets. The New York Jets. And Richard Cobble. Richard Cobble. There you go, Richard. Again, recap. Again, grab spots on the website, guys. A lot of breaks close. Elijah Moore, rookie, Jersey Ink Etch, Electric Etch Green. Tua, 4 out of 10 on the gold. Jason Taylor on the ink. Trey Lance. Tylan Wallace, Miles Sanders, and Jonathan Taylor. That is the break, guys. Appreciate the fill. 16-0. And grab your spots on the website at jumboscards.com. Again, obviously, check the screen out right there.